Hello, today I want to walk us through the process of buying a new glass. From the previous video I did, you'll see, if you have watched that video, you see that I took my time to explain to us different parts of Cheeles and how it work. So today we want to see how we can be able to buy a new glass. So with the free glass they gave us, we've been able to earn a, a we've been able to earn $5.85, which is here. All right, so today we want to buy a new glass. So the one they gave us already, we've actually used it up. So for you to do that, all you just need to do is you come down to this place where you see N. All right, you click on it. So once you click on it, it loads up for you. When it loads up, the next thing you're going to do, you go to market. This is market here. Okay, so you go to market, click on market. So when you get to market, you see there are different glasses that you can purchase. Alright, so they have elementary that cost about $6.18. Then they have smart, which cost about $10.3. We move on to lights. Then simple, they have rare, okay, and they have unique. Alright, so these are the glasses they have. So you can purchase any one and start using it. So I think I want to do the one of smart, which is $10.30. I want to start with that first of all. So you click on it. Okay, so when you click on it, you can see there's option for paying in naira. That is for those in Nigeria. So here the currency, we can change the currency to USD. Okay, so there is option to pay with debit cards. So under this currency, you can change it. You can actually change it to your country currency, all right, depending on whatever you're paying with. So here you can see different currencies. All right, different country currencies are listed here. So just choose the one you want to pay with, then you go ahead. So there's also Binance Pay. There's also an option for you to pay with USDT. Alright, so for me, I want to go with the option of paying with USDT because it's much more easier for me. So all I need to do is click on it. I've selected it, which is this. Alright, then I click on buy. Okay, so it's showing me not enough token. Okay, that means I don't have enough money in my wallet to purchase this. Okay, so what I will do now is I need to go back and credit my account. So for me to do that, I need to go back to this place. All right, I need to go to wallet here. Okay, so I need to go to my wallet to make that happen. So when you get to the wallet, you see under internal I have just about $5.87. Then I need to go to external because I want to fund this account. So this is external. All right, here is external. I click on external. Then I want to buy with USDT. All I need to do is click on USDT, as you can see here. All right, so I click on USDT. So once I click, I'll see the option to receive, transfer, and withdraw. So we want to deposit. Okay, so we want to deposit. So we'll do receive. So here is my address. So remember, here this is very important. What we are sending is in USDT, but it's on BEP20 network. That is the Binance Smart Chain network. All right, so you copy your address here. Copy your address. Just click on this, copy your address. Okay, so I'll go to Binance and credit this account, then I'll come back and continue this video. Okay, so as you can see right here on the external wallet, I've actually created this account. I did $11, so they removed about 33 cents or thereabouts. So here we have $10.67. I think this would be enough for us to purchase our glass. Okay, so we'll go back to N and purchase our glass right here. Okay, so go back here. Okay. Then we'll go to, yeah, go to markets. Yeah. Then we want to purchase the one of $10. Okay. So just click on this smart. Then click on buy now. So remember, we want to use USDT. Click on USDT, then buy. Okay, still showing me not enough. Why? Oh, okay. Let me try transferring the money. Okay, I guess because it's still an external wallet. Let me transfer it to internal wallet. Okay, so let me click on USDT, then transfer. Okay, so max, then confirm. Not enough BNB on external. Oh, really? Need to put BNB again? No. Okay, so let me transfer BNB in. Okay, I'm back. I had to send just a small fraction of BNB, about 35 cents, to this place, so you can see it here. All right, so this is it. This is it. All right. So let me do the internal transfer. Okay, let me transfer from the external to the internal. Okay, so here we'll go. Then transferring this transferring this amount. Okay, so we'll click on confirm. Okay, so we'll confirm this amount. All right, so this has been moved to the internal. Then we can now go to the internal now. Refresh. Okay, the money has appeared right now in our internal wallet. So let's go ahead and purchase our glass. So we'll go back to N, then market, go down to smarts, choose any of the smart glasses, then we'll click on buy. Okay, so we'll use USDT, then we'll buy. Congratulations on your purchase. Okay, so finally we'll now have a new glass. We succeeded in purchasing our glass. So you can see decline. These were the places we are trying to get it earlier. So let's go back to N. Then you go, when you go back to N, you go under my glasses, this place. So you need to leave the market, go under my glasses. So you can see right now we have a new glass. Okay, now that we have our glass, what next? So the next thing is for us to choose a strategy. Okay, so for you to choose a strategy, you just need to come to this place. So you click on here, the system automatically gave us a mix, but you might decide to say, okay, you want something different from a mix. So you can see the mix strategy is simply, it simply boosts profit and get some gift here and there. It takes the coin from watching videos and get a higher chance for a hood bonus in the box. So there's a potential earning of 1.5 to 2x of whatever you're doing here. All right, so you have the stability. So stability gives you about 1.6 to 1.9. Okay, so more profits for same views, as easy as it sounds. Okay, so watch feeds, get coins, no risk, no worry. So we have another one which is lucky, which is about 1.5 to 2x also. So let the universe decide. Chances chances of high chances to score big, getting boxes, no stable income, just pure luck. So here, this is lucky. Anyway, for me, I'm not going to choose lucky. I will either go with stability or mix. So stability is giving me somewhere around one. Mix is giving 1.3 to 2.3, while stability is giving me about 1.6 to 1.9. So I will just stick with mix. All right, and then choose the strategy. All right. So here, you choose the strategy, then you are good. You can decide to choose whatever you feel like choosing today. Maybe tomorrow you come back, try something else and just see how it work. All right, so this is just a step-by-step guide on how to buy the glass. We walked you through the process of funding, purchasing the glass, and I think with this you can proceed to earning. So thank you very much for staying to the very end of this video. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please consider hitting the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. Your support means the world to me and it helps me create more great content for you. Don't forget to like and share if you found this helpful. Until next time, take care.